When you think of composting, you probably picture a huge pile in a big backyard, steaming gently in the morning sun and surrounded by plenty of open space. But what if you live in an apartment, or your only outdoor area is a tiny patio or a small balcony? A massive compost heap just isn't an option for most city dwellers or people with limited space. Many urban gardeners feel stuck, wanting to reduce waste and help the environment, but lacking the space for traditional composting methods. Small bins can get slimy and smelly pretty quickly, and neighbors might not appreciate the mess or the odors drifting their way. That's why I started searching for a compact, clean, and effective alternative that would actually work in a small space. Enter the Fabric Grow Bag. Breathable, portable, and designed to fit perfectly into small spaces like balconies or patios. But can a simple bag really compete with a classic backyard pile when it comes to making rich, healthy compost? To find out, I set up a head-to-head experiment, big pile versus balcony bag, testing both methods side by side. Let's see which method comes out on top and discover if small space composting can really deliver big results. Setting up the balcony compost bag is quick and easy. I chose a large, breathable fabric grow bag for airflow, crucial for odor-free composting. Start with a layer of woody branches for drainage, then alternate browns, like leaves or cardboard, and greens, like veggie scraps. Add a handful of finished compost or garden soil to kickstart the microbes. Lightly moisten each layer, aim for a damp sponge feel. Place the bag in a sunny, but not scorching spot. Roll down the top for maximum air circulation. That's it. Setup takes less than 30 minutes. First, let's talk about speed and heat, two key factors in composting success. The big pile heats up fast, breaking down waste quickly and efficiently, especially when turned regularly. The balcony bag stays warm, but not hot. Decomposition is slower, but steady, making it ideal for those with patience. Smell test. If neglected, the pile can get earthy or even sour, especially after rain or if too wet. But the bag stays nearly odorless thanks to good airflow and its enclosed design. Pests. The open pile attracts critters from raccoons to curious birds. The bag is more contained and pest-resistant, keeping your compost safe. Both systems produce rich, dark compost, but the pile delivers more and does it faster. The bag's compost is just as good, maybe even finer in texture, perfect for container gardens or potted plants. The bag takes longer, but it's manageable, tidy, and very neighbor-friendly for city living. No rodents, no mess, and no complaints from anyone nearby. The pile is a powerhouse for big yards, but the bag is a true small space champion. Both methods work well, but each has its own unique strengths and advantages. The real winner depends on your space, your lifestyle, and what you need from your composting system. Both methods have their place, but the fabric bag truly shines for urban gardeners with limited space. It's clean, odor-free, and pest-resistant. Just monitor moisture and balance your greens and browns for the best results. Turn the contents every couple of weeks to keep things aerated and decomposing efficiently. The bag proves you don't need a backyard to make great compost. A small balcony works just fine. It's accessible, rewarding, and helps reduce waste right from your balcony, making it a win-win. Anyone can join the composting movement, no matter how small your space or experience level. Grab a fabric bag, start layering, and make a big impact, one balcony at a time. It's easier than you think. The best time to start composting is now. Don't wait.